doing is a cover. We grew up on this one. We love this track, maybe you do as well. You know the words, sing along. It's called Millionaire.